Class 1 EVS practice. Dash is the fastest means of transport. Answer: air is the fastest means of transport. The vehicles move when the traffic lights indicates dash color. Answer: the vehicles move when the traffic lights indicates green color. Always throw the waste into dash. Answer: always throw the waste into dustbin. The spelling of dustbin is first dust, D-U-S-T, dust, bin, B-I-N, bin, dustbin. Dash are used as means of transport in desert. Answer: camels are used as means of transport in desert. Camel spelling C-A-K, mel, M-E-L, mel, C-A-M-E-L, ka, mel, ka is C-A, mel, M-E-L, mel, camel. We have to work always on the dash. We have to work always on the footpath. Foot spelling F-O-O-T, foot. Path, pa, P-A-pa, th, T-H, th, path, footpath. What should we say when we request for something? Answer: please. The spelling is P-L-E, plea, A-S-E, is, please, P-L-E-A-S-E. We should cross the road at dash. We should cross the road at zebra crossing. Zebra spelling Z, Z, Z-E-Z, bra, B-R-A, bra, zebra crossing, C-R-O, crow, S-S, S, cross, C-R-O-S-S, cross, ing, I-N-G, ing, crossing. Leap year has dash days. Leap year has dash days. Answer: leap year has 366 days. Normally we have 365 days in 1 year. But for leap year we have 1 extra day. So that is 366 days. 1 day is equal to how many hours? 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Now we will learn the spelling of 12 months. First, January. January. The spelling is Ja-Nu-Ari. Ja, J-A, Ja. Nu, N-U, Nu. Ari, A-R-Y, January. February. Feb, Feb, F-E-B, Feb. Ru, R-U, Ru, A-R-Y. Fe, F-E, Fe, Brew, B-R-U, Brew, R-E, A-R-Y, R-E, February. March. M-A-Ma, Rich, R-C-H, Rich, M-A-R-C-H, CH. March. April. April. A. It's alphabet A. Prill. Prill. April. Prill. April. April. May. 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 June. 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 July. 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 August. August. Ow. Ow. Goo. Ghost. St. August. August. September. Sep. Say. Sep. Say. Pte. Pit. Septe. September. Mber. Septe. Pte. Ber. Ber. September. September. October. O. The alphabet is O. Cto. Cto. Octo. 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 Ber. Ber. November. No. No. Bhe. Bhe. Nove. Nove. Ber. Ber. November. December. Ded. Say. Say. Ber. Ber. December. December. Now we will learn 7 days in a week spelling. Sunday. Sun. Sun. Day. Day. Monday. Mon. Month. Day. Day. Monday. Tuesday. Tues. 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 Tuesday. Day. Tuesday. Wednesday. 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 Wed. Wed. Ness. Nes. Ness. Wednesday. Day. Wednesday. Thursday. Th. Urs. Urs. Thirst. Th. Urs. Urs. Day. Thursday. Friday. Fri. Fry. Fry. Day. Day. Friday. Saturday. Sa. Tur. Tur. Satur. Saturday. Saturday. Now something true and false. We can get off the moving bus. This is false. We should not follow traffic rules. This is false. I stop when the traffic lights indicates red. This is true. April month comes between March and May. That is false. Christmas will be celebrated in the month of October. This is false. February month comes after April. This is false. We have to take bath every day. This is true. Bullock cart is fastest transport. This is false. Independence Day we will celebrate in the month of August. This is true. Monday comes after Sunday. This is true. Now we'll do answer the following questions. First, what are different types of transport? Answer. Answer should start with capital letter the, capital T H E. The different types of transport are, comma, land transport, air transport, water transport. You know the transport spelling from the question. You have to know the spelling of air, land and water. So, land, la, L-A, la, N-D, land, L-A-N-D. Air, A-I-R, air. Water, wa, W-A, T-E-R, water. So the answer we will write, start with capital letter T, the, T-H-E. The letter is capital T for starting of the sentence. The different types of transport are, comma, land transport, L-A-N-D, land transport. Air transport, A-I-R, air transport. Water, W-A-T-E-R, water transport. Question number 2. How many hands are there in a clock? Name to them. Answer. The first letter of the sentence will start with capital letter there, T-H-E-R-E, there, T-H-E-R-E, there are 3 hands in a clock. Full stop. They are our hand, H-O-U-R, our hand, H-A-N-D, hand. Minute hand, M-I-Me, N-U-N-U-T, T-E, minute, M-I-N-U-T-E, minute, hand, H-A-N-D, comma, second hand, S-E-C, C-O-C-O-N-D, second, S-E-C-O, hand, H-A-S-E-C-O-N-D, second, hand, H-A-N-D, hand, second hand. So the answer is, there are 3 hands in the clock, full stop. They are, T-H-E-Y, they, T-H-E-Y, they are our hand, minute hand, second hand. Next question. Why do we need vehicles? do we need vehicles? Answer is we need vehicles to go one place to another. We need vehicles to go from one place to another. We need vehicles to go from one place to another. Full stop. Next question. How many months are there in a year? Answer. There are 12 months in a year. Full stop. On every sentence end, we have to give full stop while writing answer. There, There. There are 12 months in a year. Full stop. Next question. When do you have your lunch? When do you have your lunch? Answer. We do have our lunch at noon. We do have our lunch at noon. Full stop. How many days are in a week? How many days are in a week? How many days are in a week? Answer. There are 7 days in a week. Full stop. When we start the sentence, the letters should always capital T, H, E, R, E. There. THERE. There are 7 days in a week. Full stop.